Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to easily find an old message in ChatGPT, the new search feature makes it simple. So first go to chatgpt.com, or you can also access the ChatGPT application on your device and make sure that the application is up to date. Then click on the search icon in the top left corner of your screen, or you can also enter the Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Once you do that, you can go ahead and search for any topic or conversation. Then tap the search result to open that conversation and jump directly to the relevant message. You can scroll through the rest of the conversation as well. And if you want, you can type a message to continue the conversation. So that's how it's easy to search your past chats on ChatGPT. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.